In this video, I'm going to show you how to fast forward on YouTube TV so you can skip ahead during recorded shows, movies, or even live streams with a slight delay. Let's get started. Fast forwarding is a great way to save time and focus on the parts of the content you enjoy most. To fast forward, start by playing a video on YouTube TV. If it's a pre-recorded show or movie, you'll see a progress bar at the bottom of the screen. Simply press the fast forward button on your remote, usually represented by two arrows pointing right, to skip ahead in increments, typically 10 seconds at a time. If you're using a touchscreen device or computer, hover over the progress bar and drag it to the desired point in the video. For more precision, use the playback settings feature. Click the settings gear icon in the playback controls and adjust the speed or skip intervals if available. Some devices also allow you to hold down the fast forward button for continuous skipping instead of incremental jumps. If you're watching a live stream, YouTube TV may allow you to rewind or fast forward slightly depending on the channel's buffer. Look for the Jump to Live button to catch up quickly, or use the Rewind to Fast Forward buttons to navigate within the available buffer window. Keep in mind that some live sports or news broadcasts may not support fast forwarding due to their real-time nature. However, if you've recorded the event using YouTube TV's Cloud DVR feature, you can fast forward through the recording just like any other on-demand content. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on mastering YouTube TV. Thanks for watching, and I hope fast forwarding on YouTube TV makes your viewing experience smoother and more enjoyable. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.